again for tuning in at another episode here at Usap Learning. Today we're going to talk about emotions and feelings in Tagalog using pictures. First off is happy, masaya, masaya, masaya. Sad, malungkot, 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 which is sad. Angry, galit, galit, galit. Surprised, nagulat, nagulat, nagulat. And pain, masakit, masakit, which is pain. Thank you again for tuning in here at Usap Learning Emotions, Feelings in Tagalog. Stay tuned again next week. Please like and subscribe our videos. Until then, see you next week.